bestonlinemerch.com. Ah, Mykonos. The mere mention of this Greek island conjures images of sun-drenched beaches, vibrant nightlife, and charming whitewashed buildings. If you're planning a trip to this Mediterranean paradise, let me share some essential tips and tricks to make the most of your vacation. First things first, packing is crucial. You'll want to bring lightweight clothing, breathable fabrics, and of course, a stylish swimsuit. But don't forget the essentials. A good pair of sunglasses is non-negotiable. The sun here can be relentless. A wide-brimmed hat will not only keep you cool, but also add that chic touch to your beach look. Now let's talk about footwear. While flip-flops are great for the beach, you'll want a sturdy pair of sandals for exploring the cobblestone streets of Mykonos town. Trust me, you don't want to be that person struggling to walk on uneven surfaces. And speaking of exploration, make sure to pack a lightweight backpack. It's perfect for carrying your essentials while you wander through the narrow alleys, stopping for a gelato or snapping photos of the iconic windmills. When it comes to accommodations, consider staying in a traditional Cycladic-style hotel or a cozy Airbnb. The charm of Mykonos lies in its unique architecture, and you'll want to immerse yourself in that experience. Plus, being centrally located will make it easier to access the best beaches and nightlife spots. Speaking of beaches, don't miss out on the famous Saru Beach. It's a hotspot for sunbathing and celebrity sightings, but arrive early to secure a good spot. If you're looking for something a bit more laid back, head to Agios Sostis Beach. It's less crowded and offers a more authentic vibe, complete with a quaint taverna where you can grab a bite. Now let's dive into the culinary scene. Mykonos is a food lover's dream, so be sure to bring your appetite. Start your day with a traditional Greek breakfast. Think yogurt drizzled with honey and fresh fruit. For lunch, indulge in a seafood feast at a beachside taverna. The grilled octopus is a must-try, and don't forget to pair it with a glass of ouzo. As the sun sets, the island transforms into a culinary paradise. Book a table at one of the many upscale restaurants for a taste of modern Greek cuisine. As night falls, Mykonos comes alive. The nightlife here is legendary, so prepare for some late nights. If you're looking for a lively atmosphere, head to the famous clubs in the area, like Cavo Paradiso or Scandinavian Bar. But if you prefer a more relaxed vibe, there are plenty of beach bars where you can sip cocktails while listening to the waves. Just remember to pace yourself. The island has a way of keeping you on your toes. Transportation is another important aspect to consider. Renting a scooter or an ATV is a popular choice, giving you the freedom to explore at your own pace. Just be sure to wear a helmet and drive safely. Those winding roads can be tricky. Alternatively, you can use local buses, which are affordable and connect you to various beaches and towns. Lastly, don't forget to take some time to soak in the culture. Visit the iconic Paraportiani Church and stroll through the charming Little Venice area, where the buildings seem to spill into the sea. The sunset views from here are breathtaking, so grab a drink and enjoy the spectacle. In conclusion, Mykonos is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. With the right essentials packed, a sense of adventure, and an open heart, you'll create memories that will last a lifetime. So get ready to bask in the sun, savor delicious food, and dance the night away. Mykonos is calling, and it's time to answer. Like and subscribe,